Hey guys, I'm Arjun here and back with another video, and this is the unboxing of the new Xiaomi Mi 8. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. And this is one of the competitor for OnePlus 6, also for Vivo X21. Smartphone will be launched on Thursday at Xiaomi annual product launch event in China, and it's Xiaomi's later flagship smartphone and expectedly comes with premium specifications and features. So let's unbox the new Xiaomi Mi 8. So this is a black box, and this is a paperwork maybe, and this is adapter and comes with fast charging, I think. There's the SIM ejector tool, and also a transparent back cover for Mi 8. And let's look at the smartphone. This is the new Xiaomi Mi 8. Really great and wonderful design from Xiaomi, and comes with a trending notch and dual camera, also a fingerprint sensor at back. The dual SIM Xiaomi Mi 8 runs with MIUI 10 and enhances Sport 621 HD Plus display, Samsung AMOLED display with intelligent 9 aspect ratio and 88.5% screen to body ratio, and support for always on display. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is used here on the new Xiaomi Mi 8. It also comes with a 6GB or 8GB of RAM, with 8GB RAM exclusive to the Explorer edition. The camera department, the flagship handset sports a vertically stacked rear dual camera setup that gets to 12 megapixel sensor with 1.4 micron pixels, 4-axis OIS, and dual pixels autofocus, AI portraits, AI scene detection, and video detection. Claims a DxO Mark photo score of 105 on the front. The Xiaomi Mi 8 bears 20 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture and 1.8 micron pixels, a portrait selfies and beautify. As for storage, the phone gets 64 or 28 GB or 256 GB inbuilt storage. The pricing, Mi 8 price has been set at CNY 2690 for 6GB RAM variant and 2999 for 6GB RAM 128GB ROM variant, and 3299 for 6GB RAM 256GB RAM variant. This was guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hit that red subscribe button along with the bell icon. And I'm Arjun, you're watching Extent. Bye bye.